Well, because you lose it, you never win.
Oh boy! I can't see where the killer's at.
We on the same map, bro. Bug, where you at? Oh, you right next to me. You right next to me, cuz don't lose me. That's all I'm gonna say, man. Just look. Look down.
What the hell's going
Come on,
on?
man. You
Where's
watching me?
this go?
Thank God. Johnny and Cook. Okay. Hell yeah. Fuck you, crawling for it. That nigga could barely hear you.
What do I do with this?
These niggas found me.
Where you at? Where you at,
This
Leland?
nigga Bug with me. He supposed to be with C.
Leland.
I was finna listen. I'm watching Bug stream. I'm like, he did not follow C at
Bug,
all.
come here. That's what I'm saying.
No,
Come
C
on,
went to
come
the
on.
left, my nigga.
That's what I'm saying, bro. Bro, I told you to keep up. Come on, Bug. Where you at? I'm right behind you. Hurry up, nigga.
Come on, Bug.
was
Hurry up.
Jalen in
It's
the
time to
basement.
go.
Like, they
That's
to
what
the
I'm
right.
saying, bro. This nigga.
They to the right or where you
need.
went to.
Go through the hole. Go through the hole. Yeah. Once you go through the hole, go out the room. Go to the left.
Cook heard
Go
me.
to the right.
How the fuck?
It don't matter if Cook heard you, cuz that nigga's not gonna do nothing. He can't even get down here yet.
I'm gonna open the door in the north store room.
Go ahead. You open that door over there. Yeah, let's distract you. Yes. Thank you.
Okay. No.
This the best door. Watch this. And use, he coming down. Get the fuck out. No, I just closed the door. No, open the door. Open the door.
Open the door!
Oh my god! Oh my god!
They opened the door, gang.
Oh my god.
He knocked
Bug
the door!
closed himself in there with him.
He closed this!
Dog destined to die.
Bro, I'm not gonna lie. This nigga came down the stairs.
Dog,
like,
listen, I'm
what's
staring
going
right at the
on?
killer. He's still sitting here, bro. He's just sitting here. Oh, he chasing somebody in that basement.
Bro, don't run. You can't get through the crack.
Give me the fuck out! What the fuck? No way. No way. New door.
Run out
me.
the door, Bud. Run the door,
New
Bud.
door me. New door me.
I just opened the door.
New door me. I can't do it.
No, bro. How did he get in here, bro? Cook pissing me off, bro. I'm not gonna lie, bro. How did he even get in here? I'm
Kurt's in the
dead,
lead.
bro.
Kurt dead quiet. He's gone.
Goodness.
Bro, just got somebody
surroundings.
killed, folks.
Processing it.
Never. He really got somebody killed, G.
All them niggas downstairs. That shit is insane, bro.
Okay, it's open. They have to be around here somewhere.
Excuse me, buddy. I'm out of there.
I'm getting the fuck out of here. Hopefully Kurt went this way. Yep, Kurt went this way. I'm finna get the fuck out.
I'm turning off the battery at the loading right now. I'm turning off the loading. I'm turning off the battery right now.
Never did you go out the way that I was trying to go out. Fuck you, nigga.
He out.
Is anything I can use?
Oh, cool, baby.
Bug, stop standing still. Get out of there.
Take that. Take that.
Hey,
Take
open
that.
right now on the loading dock. Okay, it's open. Look at her. Look at her.
It's like making it clap like.
Look at her.
Stop playing with me, nigga.
Bugs,
I
where you
watch-
at?
Something's not right with Leland. Something not right with Leland. I just seen Leland lock Anna in a motherfucking. No, what's her name? I don't know her name, but he locked her ass
Anna,
in there. No, not you, the other big Connie. I seen Leland put Connie in the room with the motherfucking cook. Cook get the cutting the shit out of
He
him.
fouled on what though? Foul.
Then the nigga Leland off that shit. He off so much motherfucking fentanyl. He locked himself in there with him.
On what though?
Oh my
Leland,
God. Leland is done for, dude. Ain't no
I need to
Leland.
watch this. Where he at?
Kurt left.
I want to see where he at. Tread softly.
You gotta find him.
Boy being detected by for the whole match. I'm an OG. Wait, Bug. Oh, wait, hold on. You might be going
Bug,
the
he
right way.
finna tell you where to
You
go.
going the right? Oh,
Keep going,
straight.
big.
You
Keep
keep
going,
oh,
keep going.
damn, you know why. If you can knock him out. No, keep going straight. No. Go
Look,
to your right. Go to your right.
I'm moving.
You gotta knock him out.
I'm moving. That's where
Go
I'm
to your
at.
right. Go to your right. Go.
I'm moving. That's
Go,
where I'm
Be
at.
back in.
You don't see me?
This nigga finna see. This nigga dumb as hell. Oh, bro, I don't even care no more. You dumb as hell.
left.
He
Oh my God! I said left, and this nigga went right.
I just told you to keep straight, my nigga. This nigga gonna knock the nigga out and start teabagging him.
He's scared as fuck.
He did. All he had to do was run to the gate, bro. That's all you had to do.
He is fucking you up.
He dead?
Yeah, he did.
Get the shit out of here with a pencil.
That's the bad, because he don't want to listen to the instructions. I said turn right, keep straight. Nigga, you turn right and turn right again. Nigga, that's why I said keep straight. And I would have told you.
Because it's a killer on the other side.
Bug, where you at?
Me.
This nigga spawned right by the killer. That shit tough.
Who is this, Connie?
Get out automatically.
Is he?
Look, you get out automatically.
Let me get 2 picks, and then we can go up.
When
We
you
can go up
know
definitely.
what's
I only got one. Go ahead. Cause he close. I'm in
You don't
Leatherface
need-
lair,
You only
bro.
need one. Let me unlock the what's it called?
Might work on those doors.
I think I'll be tripping.
Try to think you be tripping, bro.
Don't go that way.
Here he comes, see.
Ain't no way he ain't seen me.
I ain't gonna lie, I
I
fucking
said-
hate this door.
Come on, Jason.
It's the worst door.
Just keep moving, Connie.
You're the worst door.
Hey, Connie! Over here!
Oh, this is a good door.
Y'all open the door?
Hell no.
Hey, escape from the back. When they did open the fuck. Oh, y'all right there.
Yeah, they did. I'm delayed. My fault.
Can I use that?
Jason, did you follow me?
I'm outside.
I'm
I don't even think I can get out this way, bro. I can't get out this way. I gotta go
Go
back to the house.
upstairs.
No, I was going to say I'm upstairs. I'm looking for
Jay,
the
so this is the
fuse,
same
so
map
we
we
can get
escaped from the
shot through
sideway,
basement.
remember?
Yeah. You said you getting the fuse? Alright, look.
Generator.
See getting the
I'm trying
fuse, so
to
if shit get
find
Use your
bad.
shit loud as hell, boy.
If shit get bad, we can go through the basement.
Don't quote
Go
me.
to hell,
I
nigga.
ain't gonna lie.
Is that Kurt?
Searching for
Kurt
the
going
fuse.
upstairs. Oh, he coming up here, y'all. He coming upstairs. He going outside through the back.
I found the fuse. So y'all can
I'm
make
literally
y'all
right
way-
up there.
Leatherface
make y'all
coming
way
back
down to
in,
the
bro.
basement.
We going out through the fuse way?
I wish it
Yeah.
was tonight.
Yeah, make it. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. But can y'all show Bug where the basement at? Cause I don't got time.
Bud know where
Somebody
the
help
basement
that
at.
man.
Bud might
dog.
still be in the basement.
No, I'm talking about the door,
Alright.
the fuse door.
Man, then that needs to stay in the basement.
Bud, stay in the basement.
Bug, stay in the basement.
How do people like this happen?
I'm coming in the basement. He opened the door?
They sending him off. Bro.
He chose his
I'm finna go watch
demise.
Bugs,
No, I'm
He chose
dead
his
serious. Go in the basement, cause I'm coming in the basement. What are you talking about? You think I'm lying? Watch, the door finna open right now.
Basement exit open. I gotta find it. Where the fuck is it? I can't see the door.
He finna kill me, bro. Oh, he ran out of stem.
The door open. The door open. The basement door open.
I just spooked that
Oh
nigga.
my baby, he ran out of
He
stamina.
literally didn't see me.
Fucking buggy. I think you gotta get out of there, don't you? What the fuck you want
Oh
to
my
make
goodness, where's the
That
door?
nigga Bug spooked first.
I told y'all where I was finna go.
Oh, it's right here. It's right here. It's literally right here.
Y'all better hurry up. It's finna close.
I'm
Bug,
cooked.
why you going deeper into the basement after you
Behind you,
open the door?
Leland. Where you going?
It's literally as soon as
That
you
way,
go
that way,
downstairs,
that way,
you
that way.
busted like a right.
Hurry up, hurry up. It's blink. Hurry up. Yeah, behind you. Yeah, right there, right there. It's blinking, cuz.
Where is it?
Jay, so.
So you gotta go up top, cuz. You gotta go up top. That motherfucker's closed.
It's
cuz.
what door?
It's closed, cuz. You gotta go.
Oh, he got
you gotta
out.
go.
Got out in chat.
Jay, so. Damn, Bug got out.
Get out to the chat.
Hey.
You see that big booty?
Oh, freaky ass on! You know you freaky!
Big ass dookie maker.
Let's just get in.
Oopsies.
Niggas ain't shit.
That bitch crawl fast as fuck.
Oh. He saw you.
Cuz, wait, so you mean to tell me you didn't see that yellow door when I opened it?
No, my door wasn't
I
yellow.
ain't go.
Alright.
I ain't gonna lie, Jason. It was yellow, bro.
On my screen?
Yes, it was glowing on everybody's screen.
Yeah, it was
on
going on
everybody's
everybody's screen.
Wow, I did not see that shit.
I thought, man, I seen it. Yeah, I seen it. I ain't gonna lie.
Oh.
Man, it's too late. That shit closed.
It's too late. It's closed already, bro.
Damn.
Go to that crack
shit
over
kinda-
there. That we can
Oh, shit, he had
that
that
door.
door.
That door open. That door open over there.
What the fuck?
Shit.
This nigga missed the crack. God damn.
Get her ass with a power blow. It's closed.
What the fuck just
But this is
happened?
where you. He finna pass out though. Oh, if he use this, no, he not. Oh, he passed out. That big ass dookie maker.
You's a freaky ass nigga! Fuck you mean?
All them BBL surgeries.
Ran her down.
Can I go test the power again? Where is that?
Yo, I was gonna say, if you gonna get out the way I went, you gotta go back in the house, grab a fuse upstairs, type shit.
You went upstairs? See, I didn't even see you go upstairs.
Yeah, I went upstairs. That's where the fuse box at.
I know, I was up there. I didn't even see you go up there. Man, that's a hella quick.
All right, J-So, calm down, bro. Calm down. No, don't go that way.
Oh my goodness.
I'm finna turn the water fuse.
No, you can't. Bro.
Bro, he always talking about this water pump.
Water pump!
All the time.
Cuz, bro.
All right, J-So, listen to me. Go through the house, but you're gonna have to sneak through the house, bro. Sneak through the house. Go through the crack to your left. Go through the crack to your left. Come on.
You say go through the left?
I said the crack to your left. There's no more fuses upstairs. I got the fuse already. You gonna have to find a fuse on the first floor.
I think Grandpa will be
Yeah.
bro.
Yeah, you're fucked.
Go ahead. You good. Just look around before you move. Look around before you move.
Or you can open
Or
that
I can
door
go through the front door and
Yeah,
turn that
you can go through the front door. But they to your right.
Either they under you or to your right.
Oh, they to his right.
Oh shit.
He's only level 1. Bro, I ain't on my life.
Get him to that. Yeah.
No, he don't got what he need to. Go on like that door.
If you a real OG, jump out that window. You a real OG, jump out that window, nigga.
No, ain't gonna lie. He's telling you don't jump out that window because you.
I'm playing the piano.
J-So, don't you dare go jump out the window, cuz. Hey, be quiet, cuz you know he's near you.
This is RB he can press his RB to get him off the stand. Oh shit. Oh, he was feeding him.
No.
Oh my god. No, they did it.
Oh,
Open it and get little. It's some grass right there. Where the grass at? Get little. Where the grass?
It's literally grass right there.
The chicken.
Stay there.
Chicken.
Chicken 7.
No, it's good. They didn't even see the chicken. The generator might be over there always.
It might. No. The generator not over there. It's to the right. That motherfucker far as hell to the right.
Yeah, it's far as
hell to the right, bro. You might as well go out car exit. Go to that shed over there right in front of you.
It's all the way over there, Jay. Oh my god. Literally all the way up.
He gotta go to the shed. It's the generator all the way over there, bro.
Yep, you low though. I ain't gonna lie. They don't know where you at. You low.
Yeah, you low. Take down from the grandpa.
I don't got enough tools for cars.
Hide in the bush. Oh, he seen you.
Shit,
he seen you. You might as well hit the wheel.
Oh, wait,
no. Don't move.
No, he didn't. No, he didn't. Shut up. No, he didn't. Oh my god. They probably didn't even turn that bitch on.
You're the only person that can knock him over. Now that they did turn that bitch off.
Let's go front. Look at the front. Look at the front.
Oh, he died.
He had a heart attack. No, they turned it on. Look at the left shoe right there. That bitch had a heart attack.
Oh my god.
Because he got escaped.
I should have went water pump.
We been ballin' like a tip-off, yeah. Many niggas trippin', we ain't slipped all, yeah. They said money talk, I'm like, shh, all in. In a class by myself, I ain't got no peers. I don't wanna talk with a bitch cause she negative. They roll, got the same faces, it's repetitive. Had it cross some niggas out the picture, they was edited. I know he a snake, he shed his skin, he left evidence. They ain't fucking with me, never, that shit ended. All my bitches different shades of brown, I love melanin. Designers in my closet.